How to export Salesforce data to Excel via SOQL. Salesforce Object Query Language is a flexible way to build custom reports on the fly and retrieve the data based on the specified criteria. Excel Connector 365 further enhances this method by providing point-and-click tools and a way to retrieve the data immediately into an Excel worksheet. Let's start by clicking Home from Excel Connector 365's menu. This action opens a sidebar with various options. Select Import Data, then choose SOQL Query from the list of options. If you're familiar with queries, you can simply enter or copy-paste the query in the big text box and run it. If you need some help, controls in this dialog box will help you pick the data points to retrieve and specify filters if necessary. Controls in the Get Data dialog are there to help you build a correct query, providing you a view into your Salesforce structure and helping you to find the correct object names, field names, and pick list values. To start building a query using these controls, you need to select the object from the Object drop-down list. For example, Account, Lead, Contact, Opportunity. You can also query any custom object you have in your Salesforce org. Then select the fields you want to pull by checking off checkboxes next to them. To find a field, you can type in part of its name in the search box. Excel Connector 365 lets you drill down into related objects and bring fields from there as well. Up to 5 levels of object relationships are supported. Click on the Filters Manager button to define any filters for your data. In the Filters editor, you'll be able to set up a cell address or named range to take a filter value for making your query dynamic, which means that it will return different data based on the input in the workbook. The Get Data dialog box offers additional options when creating a query, such as displaying labels instead of API names, creating drop-downs for pick list values, or retrieving all records, such as archived or deleted ones. It also provides the option to pull the data to a brand new sheet or the sheet you're currently working on, and 3 options for data refresh behavior: overwrite the existing data, append to the end of the sheet, or create a new sheet. These options determine how data is updated upon refresh. After defining all your settings, click Run and Save to populate your spreadsheet with the selected data. Once the query runs successfully, it can be refreshed by clicking on the Refresh button on the Connector homepage. You can also schedule the query to be refreshed automatically up to every 5 minutes by using the Scheduler tab of the Excel Connector 365 plugin. Watch all Excel Connector 365 tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.